Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove camera watermark in Realme Note 50 device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to camera and first of all, let me check. So we don't have watermark here. To set our watermark, all you guys have to do just go to settings. After that, scroll it down so that we have option of automatically add logo watermark. Just enable it so that your watermark will be enabled. Now time to check it. Okay now. So as you guys see that there is a watermark of Realme shot on Realme Note 50. But let me change the picture to see the better result. Okay now. Now let's see. So as you guys see that we have this watermark here of Realme. So guys, this is how we can enable watermark, and if you want to disable it, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then disable it this option so that your watermark will be disabled. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.